how to remove a background on any image for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove a background on any image for free, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to remove a background, in some of the devices it's fairly simple. For example, on my Samsung Galaxy device, if I would like to remove a background from some kind of image, all I have to do is open an image, and just like on iOS, I just have to keep and hold on the image over here for a certain amount of while, and I can choose to save this as a secondary image if I want without the background. But if you don't have such kind of devices, you can also simply make use of this free website, which is remove.bg, that will help you remove any sort of background from any sort of images. So to do this, just open up your browser, go to that website, tap on upload image, and select the image of which you'd like to remove the background of. So in this case, let me just select this particular image here. So once you select a certain image, make sure that the background and foreground are properly separated, and after you have done that, remove.bg will do the magic for you and then automatically remove the background. As you can see, now only the laptop is there without the background. Now you can also customize what part you want to remove the background and so on by just tapping the edit option. Now you can tap the download option to download it if you'd like. This way you'll be able to remove background on any image for free. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.